Hello, hello. I haven't done a video for a while, so I'm gonna do some in my neighbor's field. Do one in my neighbor's field because it's peaceful and quiet and cool and outside, and I'm trying to get more in touch with my nature side. So now we're gonna get started with some stretching. So go down here. Just stretch back. Your hands back. Come up slow. My neighbor's sitting outside. We go back. It's been a minute since I did this, so I'm just doing easy stretching today. Okay. So, hold on here. Don't put your AeroTrainer on grass. Get your little rug like I have here. And make sure you don't want to poke any holes in it or anything. Just feel the stretch. I'm going to enjoy the birds. It's been a minute, and I'm sweaty. Just down. Come up. Take your leg back out. Okay. The other side. I'm just going to do a short stretching video today. I've been doing a lot of work around my house, and I'm going to work outside in the yard today. And one of my fire pit in my backyard and some concrete statues I have. I've not been focused. That's why I've not made a video. I get triggers on past shit. And I kind of shut down. And so, the past couple months, I've just not been very motivated. And I am finally feeling like myself again. And working on that. Man, this is really hard if you're sweaty. I'm just gonna say that. Okay. Sit up. The ground is not very level here. That's why I'm really wobbly. I probably should have found a better place. We're gonna move towards you. My kids play out in these woods all the time. I don't know why. Okay, let's do the other side. This is my bad knee. Just feel the stretch. The pool's opening up soon. I'm super excited about that because I'm doing the water aerobics. Water walking. I absolutely love water walking. I'm going to totally get the weed eater down here. It looks rough around our wall. Okay. Go straight down. Just feel the pool in your thighs and your back thighs and your lower back. Go to the right. Remember to breathe. Other side. kind of my cool down from my walk this morning. I had a good walk this morning. I'm trying to build my speed up so I can jog. It feels good to put my hands in the grass. I haven't done that in a long time because I'm weird. I'm weird about outside. Okay, let's do another patch back here. Okay, let's go down like so. Breathe. Up. And we're going to push ourselves up a little bit, go into the prayer squat. That feels so good. Go up. Hug the. Gotta get your feet right. Let's do the squat one more time. Go up. Good. Now we're just going to sit here for a second and listen to nature. Breathe in and out. Just stretch our necks a little bit. I've been so tense. So much family bull, and everybody has to stir shit just because I made a post and straight up someone screenshotted it and sent it to my stepmom. I do not like my stepmom. I never have and never will. I said I was my father's only child. And then my father's only biological child. I have step siblings that I love very much. But people always has to stir shit. Whatever. It's why I moved to Bloomfield, because I can't stand drama anymore. So, with that said, I've had a lot of drama in my life over the past couple of months. I let in, I shouldn't have let in, and it was coming from both sides, so it was overwhelming, and they don't know that shit was drama, because they don't have a clue, but it is what it is. So anyways, I falter. I haven't gained. I have maintained, which is a plus, for the past couple of months. Now I'm back down to 196, and from here on out, I'm not going to let other people's lives overwhelm me. That's where I got where I was in the first place. That's how I got to 320 pounds. I let everyone else's life overwhelm me. All of them live for them. So I am too. I'm going to live for myself and my children. And I'm sorry, actually I'm not sorry, if people can't handle that, then they don't need to be in my life. I'm tired of all of it. I'm tired of all the heartache and all the past trauma that keeps coming back. It's not anything anybody can help except for myself, and that is to stop. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Like, I'm gonna focus on me and my life in this house, and my life in my own little world. I've got to get back on track. I've got to get all this mental weight, all this. I have like 26 pounds left to lose, and I have a lot of muscle to build, and I don't got time for everyone else's bull. Unless you want to help yourself, I'm not going to help you. That's all there is to it. I'm making this public. This goes to anyone in my life or wants to be in my life. If you can't help yourself, do not ask me for help, because I will not do it. I'm done. This is me being done. This is me taking back control of my life. So, God, that feels good. So, I just own my shit. You want to move on with your life and stop being stuck in the same routine, same shit, same misery, then I say do it and quit dicking around. It's just all there is to it. Quit making excuses. If God has given you more than one chance at living, quit pissing away. I pissed away way too many years. I pissed away way too many years living for everyone else. I pissed away too many years shoving Swiss cake rolls and all that bullshit into my body. It messes with our minds along with our internal shit. Excuse my language. We are what we eat. That is for sure. I mean, anyways, I'm gonna go. I've rambled enough. I'm back, baby. So just be prepared to see some wild shit. Like, we're gonna go to the world's second largest train trestle, because it's like 10 minutes away from my house. I'm gonna do an AeroTrainer video there. We got a cute little covered bridge. I'm gonna do one there. Maybe at the park, because I really don't give a shit if the public sees me. You know, when I'm walking down the street, I'm bobbing my head, so I just don't care. Oh, it feels so good to be free and to be able to breathe. I've missed myself. Please don't let yourself get there, because it's a bad place. So, anyways, lots of good things coming that I'm planning. Plus, my husband and I are going on vacation in July, and I totally plan on doing some AeroTrainer up there in the woods. So, I'm going to go for now. I'll be back soon. I don't know when. It'll just pop up. If you are in a hole, break that cycle and move on. You got to keep on keeping on. Life's a garden. Dig it. And one last thing before I go. Go lower, go home, baby.